Making customers happy is a serious priority for us, so when one of our happy customers writes to tell us about a job well done, we love sharing that. This review is a powerful testament to our policies and procedures that ensure every customer gets a 5-star experience with us. As you can see, we truly appreciate our valued customers by paying attention to their needs and putting them first each and every time. We think this feedback proves that. So let us put our thousands of hours of dedication, experience, and 5-star customer service to work for you today. We'd love the opportunity to earn a great review from you too. Simply call the number on your screen and contact us today. We look forward to working with you, and thanks for watching.